This little sweetheart is Bella. She is an 11-year-old beagle who has that typical curious personality. Bella's been out here smelling and sniffing and exploring everything. As you can see, she's very alert and attentive. She's watching everything as well. Bella is very mellow, very, very gentle. She's definitely looking for a quiet home, someone to help her feel safe and secure. She can be a little shy at first of new people and new places, so just somebody to show her some compassion and help her get over that. As you can see, once she gets used to you though, she does become very, very friendly. She loves to be petted and scratched. She's looking for a home that will take her for walks so she can explore her new neighborhood, but definitely spend some time cuddling with her as well. We think she'd make a great couch potato buddy. While she's been here at the Humane Society, Bella does prefer to go to the bathroom outside, and as you can expect, she walks very gently on her leash. She's just a great dog that definitely deserves a loving new home. She is going to make someone a terrific new little companion.